Did you know that Sichuan cuisine, with its 24 flavors, has got one in particular that is called Yuxiang, literally meaning fish fragrant. But it has no fish in it. Hold on. Did you say a fish fragrant dish that has no fish? That doesn't make any sense. But it actually does, because today we're gonna make some fish fragrant eggplants. These so-called 鱼香茄子, fish fragrant 茄子 eggplants, also known as Sichuan Braised Eggplants with minced pork and garlic spicy sauce, or spicy garlic sauce, it depends. So stop with the chatter and let's just do this. Woo!
Here we are with some nice eggplants. We have chosen this variety as these eggplants tend to have a softer skin as compared to the regular ones, and they're actually brighter in color. Yes, color is also one important issue we've got to take care of when preparing Chinese food. Let's start by cutting these into long stripes, 7-8 centimeters, that should do the job. Place them into an empty container and add a bit of vinegar and then some starch. A nice mix, and we're ready to deep fry them. Okay, I know. You might not be into deep frying as I am, completely understand. Steam them, bake them, roast them, air fry them. Choose whatever method makes you happy. Because, hey, happiness, that is all that matters. So deep fry them. Fish fragrance is related to use of pickled chilies that are widely used in Chinese cuisine to remove any muddiness from fish, especially those from the river. So we're going to make a paste out of these. Look at that. The other ingredient here is doubanjiang, the famous Sichuan fermented broad bean chili paste. If you have never tried this, you've tried this, right? Never mind. Mix it with the pickled chili paste. Let's do some cutting. Ginger, garlic, and some green onions. Do not go like, it's too complicated, it's too much garlic, blah blah blah. Guys, food means flavors. Do not be shy. Mix these together. Sauce preparation, easy peasy. Sugar, salt, light soy sauce, vinegar, water and starch. Mix well, which means not mixing badly. Let's get the minced pork ready. Use mushrooms instead if you are vegetarian. Add some cooking wine and let's start with the cooking after a few minutes of marinating.
Wait, guys. So forget about what I said, forget what you've seen so far. You're going to press the button subscribe because you want to stay in touch with us, you want to like us, you want to be with us. So press the button and let's go ahead.
Preheat the wok and go ahead with the minced pork. Stir it gently and add some sesame oil for an extra roasted flavor, you like that. Time for the spicy things. Yes. Look at the color now. Aromatics in. And keep stirring. Final step. Sauce in and look at this. This sauce is calling in the eggplants. Just like a must-happen wedding. Extra sesame oil for smoother texture and keep braising until you have obtained a nice and thick sauce. We are going to be adding a nice steamed bowl of rice, or to say, a nice bowl of steamed rice. Yeah, that sounds better. To accompany this dish. A fish fragrant recipe dish with no fish. Try to repeat this sentence with me. A fish fragrant recipe dish with no fish. You're doing well.
Right, so if you enjoyed this video, if you like, the idea of having a fish fragrance sort of dish with no fish, love this sentence, just stay in touch by pressing the button again, subscribe, and of course, if you enjoy our videos, I'm gonna put 2 recipes here on top, hopefully are gonna appear on top of this video, and you're gonna watch them as well because you wanna make a great Chinese food feast at home.